Rebekah and Jamie Vardy left court early before an IT expert claimed during the Wagatha trial that Mrs Vardy's account had not been hacked and that messages to her agent were manually deleted. Cyber expert Matt Blackband told the court that Mrs Vardy had changed her Instagram password 5 days after Colleen Rooney's Wagatha Christie reveal post. Mr. Blackband said that the password had been changed at 3:23 a.m. on October 14, 2019 and told the court, "From what we have seen there is no evidence of a compromise on that account." Mrs Rooney's barrister, David Sherborne, said 2 batches of WhatsApp messages between Rebekhah Vardy and Caroline Watt had been lost. Mrs Vardy has said the first group, between 2017 and 2019, vanished when she tried to send them to her solicitor. Mr. Sherborne asked what was the most likely explanation for the absence of WhatsApp messages between October 15, 2019 July 25, 2020. Mr. Blackband replied, "Based on the information provided, I would suggest it's a manual deletion." Mr. Sherborne said Rebekah had suggested they must have been lost when she got a new phone. Mr. Blackband replied, "There is no indication there was a new device on that date." This came after Jamie Vardy blasted Wayne Rooney for talking nonsense on the stand. His comments come following claims in court from Mr. Rooney that he was told to tell Mr. Vardy's wife Rebekah to calm down during the Euros in 2016. Mr. Vardy said on the High Court steps, "Wayne is talking nonsense. He must be confused because he never spoke to me about issues concerning Becky's media work at Euro 2016. There was nothing to speak about. I know this because I discuss everything with Becky." Mr. Rooney said today in his evidence that he had an awkward alleged conversation with Mr. Vardy regarding Rebekah Vardy. He told court, "It was awkward for me to have to speak to a teammate regarding his wife." Mr. Rooney claims they went to a games room to sit down and have a chat. Mr. Rooney said that he had a coffee and Mr. Vardy had a Red Bull. He told court, "It was such an awkward moment for me to have to speak to him." The trial continues.